What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that we are still experiencing huge problems in general for entire crypto industry because of the FTX disaster. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we had a very good bounce from its lowest point and we broke the range of resistance, and this resistance becomes a support. And I've told you that we were not out of the woods because we are still have some problems with the FTX collapse. And I also told you that we might see some kind of domino effect from other companies that might also have some troubles. And we have it. And in my fundamental analysis, I will show you what are these companies and what should we expect next. And right now, as you can see, I've told you at this very point not to enter any of your position because we were in the middle of nowhere. We had about 28% to the lowest range of support and about 20% to the highest range of resistance. And we had this movement to the downside that broke again the range of support. And we have very good bounce out of this lowest point, and we formed a double bottom pattern with this very bullish candle. But I have to say that it is just a flash crash for the Poloniex exchange, because if you switch to other exchanges like Binance, you won't see this type of movement to the downside. And definitely it is not the best sign, and definitely the volume becomes lower than it was previously, and it is also some kind of technical issues because we cannot have this high volume during this movement to the upside. Then consolidation phase also has the same volume, and right now we had about 4 times lower volume for this movement, and definitely it is not the case. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let's start with the total crypto market cap. And right now we are at $843.46 billion of total market cap. It is a 1.87% increase over the last day. And we have a slight bounce to the upside during the last 24 hours, but on a 7 days period we are still deeply in red. Bitcoin lost about 15.14%, Ethereum lost about 15%, and BNB lost about 14.87%. As you can see, Polygon also lost about 19.42% as well. And definitely this movement to the downside was quite harsh for Polygon as well. And let me show you the Polygon numbers in details. For now, it has a total market cap of $8.139 billion. It is almost the same range than it was previously. And the total tradable volume is $777.66 million. It is a 5.72% decrease over the last day. So definitely right now we cannot rely on any fundamentals of Polygon because we have to see the bigger picture for entire crypto industry. And the crypto news are still screaming about the FTX disaster. And let me show you right here that it is not the only company, basically it is not the only company that is experiencing the problems right now. Crypto.com also so-called accidentally sent about $400 million in value in Ethereum to wrong address. And I have to say that BlockFi right now is experiencing the problems with the withdrawal of the clients' funds, and we might see another companies that probably will be in the list, in the red list of the problematic companies during these harsh days. And let me show you this news. We are on CNNBusiness.com, and this article was published just several hours ago, and it says crypto crisis continues. Here's the latest on FTX collapse. And let me show you that somewhere here. Some industry insiders have said the company's downfall had triggered the Lehman moment, referring to the 2008 collapse of the investment bank that sent shockwaves around the world. The episode has not just destroyed confidence confidence in the crypto industry, but will also embolden global regulators to tighten the screws. Some of the biggest names in the business say they will welcome this scrutiny if it helps restore faith in the industry. And definitely, right now we can see a lot of risks that are inside the crypto industry. And CZ, Binance, Changpeng, Zhao posted this tweet in order to save the situation, and he posted: to reduce further cascading negative effects of FTX, Binance is forming an industry recovery fund to help projects who are otherwise strong but in a liquidity crisis. More details to come soon. In the meantime, please contact Binance Labs if you think you qualify. Also welcome other industry players with cash who wants to co-invest. Crypto is not going away. We are still here. Let's rebuild. And because of this tweet, let me show you that if I switch to a Bitcoin price section, we can see this spike in price of Bitcoin right after Changpeng Zhao made his tweet, and Bitcoin gained about almost 8% of its value during this just a couple of hours. But in general, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. In general, we are still not out of the woods because we can see more bearish pressure on the price charts, and we have this range of about $15.546 as the swing low for Bitcoin right now. And if this asset breaks this range, we'll confirm the next leg to the downside. And I have to say that we are not far from this range. We are only at roughly 8% far from the crucial range of support. And if this asset breaks this range, definitely we will see another major sell-off across the entire crypto industry. So, and let's switch again to Polygon Matic price action. And right here, as you can see, this asset basically also consolidating, and I don't see any signs of its recovery, because everything right now is correlating with the major currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And because of this, if you want to save your money, if you want to preserve your capital, just stay aside from any trades, because right now we might see new announcements from other crypto exchanges, other major players on the crypto field that might experience some problems with the liquidity and with some kind of issues in their fundamentals. And this means we might see another major leg to the downside that probably might hit even the next range of support for Polygon, that is right here at roughly 60 cents mark. And let me show you, if I switch to 4 hours time frame and zoom out a little bit, it is the range that I marked previously, and I have to say that we have a bunch of ranges of support and resistances, and definitely from the beginning of June 2022 we are still on the bullish side of this asset, and we have about 184% of upside from its lowest point. And I have to say that right now we can see that we have to break some of the ranges of support and resistances, and depending on this breakout we might consider the direction of the next movement. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live